Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the Goddesses of the World oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Goddess Nuit, renowned as the Egyptian goddess of the sky, eternity, and expansion. Part 1. Significance of Goddess Nuit. What does Nuit represent in mythology? Nuit is the mother of numerous gods, emphasizing her nurturing nature. She is closely tied to the afterlife and guides souls to the realm of the gods. Nuit's portrayal as a star-filled sky symbolizes boundless potential, creativity, and the cycle of life. In modern occult practices, she represents the divine feminine and interconnectedness. Nuit's significance lies in her representation of the sky, her motherly role, her afterlife association, and her symbolization of infinite possibilities. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Nuit. The Cosmic Mother, embracing infinite potential. In the ancient Egyptian pantheon, She'eshibiana, the goddess Nuit, embodies the archetypal qualities of the Cosmic Mother. With her body adorned with stars, she symbolizes the all-encompassing sky and the boundless expanse of the universe. Nuit's nurturing nature and maternal essence make her the mother of numerous deities, emphasizing her role as a giver of life and a protector of creation. As the overseer of the heavens, she represents the eternal cycles of birth, death, and rebirth. Nuit inspires us to embrace our own potential, encouraging us to recognize the limitless possibilities that lie within us and the vastness of existence itself. Her cosmic energy and profound connection to the divine make her a guiding light in our quest for self-discovery and spiritual exploration. Nuit, the Cosmic Mother, invites us to soar to new heights and embrace the infinite possibilities that await us. Part 3. Symbols associated with Goddess Nuit. Trees of the Goddess, the sycamore and papyrus in Nuit's symbolism. The symbols associated with the Goddess Nuit include the sycamore tree and papyrus plant, representing fertility and wisdom respectively. Her depictions often show her with outstretched arms and wearing a crown or headdress adorned with stars or feathers, signifying her role as the sky and her divine status. Animals like the cow and scarab beetle symbolize fertility, nourishment, and rebirth, reflecting Nuit's association with celestial bodies. The colors deep blue and black, reminiscent of the night sky, emphasize her connection to the infinite and cosmic nature. These symbols collectively express Nuit's ties to the sky, creation, fertility, wisdom, and the vastness of the universe, helping us understand her importance in ancient Egyptian mythology and cosmology. Part 4. The Story of Goddess Nuit. Celestial beauty, the all-encompassing aura of Nuit. In the celestial realm of ancient Egypt, there existed a goddess of unparalleled beauty named Nuit. Her essence encapsulated the very essence of the night sky, her celestial body gracefully arched over the earth. Adorned with a myriad of stars, each gleaming and pulsating with cosmic energy, Nuit radiated an ethereal and captivating aura. Those fortunate enough to witness her celestial form were filled with awe and wonder, drawn into the depths of her magnificent presence. Nuit, as the goddess of the sky and heavens, held the power to grant immense blessings and wisdom to those who sought her guidance. Her expansive arms reached out to embrace all of creation, nurturing it with her gentle touch. She was revered as the mother of the gods, for it was believed that she birthed the sun each morning, illuminating the world with her radiant energy. As the night sky unfolded, Nuit's influence extended beyond the physical realm. She was a symbol of infinite possibility and cosmic interconnectedness. Her wisdom transcended mortal understanding, and she was sought after by both gods and mortals alike for her divine insights. In the earthly realm, there was a young artist named Amara. She was a dreamer, always yearning to express the depths of her soul through her art. But Amara felt trapped, her creativity stifled by self-doubt and fear. She longed for a guiding light to show her the path towards personal transformation and artistic liberation. One fateful night, as Amara gazed up at the starlit sky, a sense of wonder and curiosity stirred within her. She felt an inexplicable pull towards the celestial heavens and an overwhelming desire to connect with the goddess Nuit. With a heart full of hope, she whispered a heartfelt plea, asking for guidance and inspiration. To her astonishment, the night sky seemed to shimmer and glow with an otherworldly radiance. Nuit appeared before Amara in all her celestial splendor. Her presence was both comforting and awe-inspiring, filling Amara's heart with a sense of peace and purpose. Nuit spoke to Amara with a voice as gentle as a whispering breeze. She shared ancient wisdom and profound insights, encouraging the young artist to embrace her inner light and trust in her creative instincts. Nuit reminded Amara that the universe was a limitless canvas, and she was an artist with the power to manifest her dreams. Inspired by Nuit's guidance, Amara set out on a transformative journey. She painted with bold strokes, allowing her emotions and deepest aspirations to flow onto the canvas. With each stroke, she felt a deep connection to the divine energy that coursed through her, the same energy that Nuit embodied. As Amara's art evolved, so did she. She shed the shackles of self-doubt and fear, embracing the vastness of her own potential. Through her art, she shared the beauty and wisdom she had discovered, touching the hearts of those who beheld her creations. Amara's journey of personal transformation became a testament to the goddess Nuit's profound influence. Through the guidance and inspiration she received, she not only discovered her own artistic voice, but also illuminated the world with her unique expression of creativity. And so, the story of Nuit and Amara became a legend, a tale whispered among artists and dreamers for generations. Nuit's cosmic presence continued to inspire and guide those who sought personal transformation, reminding them that within the depths of their being, they carried the essence of the stars, ready to shine brightly and illuminate the world with their unique brilliance. Part 5, 3 Strategies for Personal Transformation. Tapping into the power of the Nuit archetype. Strategy 1. Embrace the night sky meditation. Find a quiet and comfortable space, preferably outdoors under a clear night sky. Close your eyes and imagine yourself expanding into the vastness of the universe, merging with the energy of Nuit. Visualize the stars above as points of light, illuminating your being, filling you with wisdom, inspiration, and infinite potential. Allow yourself to feel connected to the cosmic energies and absorb their transformative power. This meditation can help you tap into your inner wisdom, expand your consciousness, and embrace personal transformation. Strategy 2. Practice conscious breathing. Begin by finding a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and bring your awareness to your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with air, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. As you continue to breathe deeply and rhythmically, imagine the breath as cosmic energy flowing into your body. Visualize this energy as a vibrant light, representing the transformative power of the goddess Nuit. Regular practice balances the autonomic nervous system and promotes emotional regulation. Strategy 3. Embracing infinite possibilities. A transformative strategy is to embrace the concept of infinite possibilities inspired by Nuit. Cultivate a mindset of expansion and open yourself to new experiences, ideas, and perspectives. Engage in practices such as visualization or journaling to explore your dreams and aspirations. Embrace the vastness of the universe within you and trust in your own potential. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Find a serene and sacred space where you can perform the ritual undisturbed. Dim the lights or light candles to create a tranquil atmosphere. If desired, burn incense or use scented oils to evoke a sense of mysticism and connection with the divine. 2. Take a few moments to ground yourself and clear your mind. Close your eyes and take deep, calming breaths. 3. Visualize the radiant form of the goddess Nuit stretching majestically across the night sky. Feel her presence and her loving energy enveloping you. 4. Lie down on your blanket or mat, looking up at the sky or holding any item representing the night sky close to your heart. 5. Allow your body to relax and sink into a state of tranquility. Visualize yourself merging with the stars and galaxies that adorn the universe. 6. Feel the cosmic energy flowing through your body, illuminating your being with wisdom, inspiration, and infinite potential. Embrace the sense of interconnectedness and vastness of existence that Nuit embodies. 7. Open your eyes and pick up a pen and paper. Take a moment to reflect on your current path and areas in your life where you seek personal transformation or guidance. 8. Write down your intentions and desires for personal growth and transformation. Be specific and heartfelt in your words, expressing your deepest aspirations. 9. Take a moment to express gratitude to the goddess Nuit for her presence and guidance throughout the ritual. A final message, words of wisdom from Nuit. Think about the vastness of the sky. Spread your wings and soar to new heights. For the sky is not just above you, it is within you, waiting to be explored. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.